Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 4. Explore our country, states and their capitals. India has 28 states. All of the states have their own assemblies and government. The names of the states of India are given below. Write the names of their capitals. You may use the help box. So let we start. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. 2. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Seventeen. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Tourist attraction. Look at the pictures and read the clues, then identify the famous Indian tourist destinations using the help box. 1. Situated in Chennai, it is the second longest beach in the world extending nearly 13 kilometers in a single stretch. Marina Beach. These Jain temples situated in Mount Abu, Rajasthan are lavishly decorated with carvings. Dilwara Temple. About 15 kilometers from Ajmer, this Hindu holy town is famous for the camel fair. Pushkar. Number 4. Built by Raja Jai Singh, it is an ancient observatory in Jaipur. Jantar Mantar. Number 5. It is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi on the bank of the river Yamuna. Rajghat. These are caves situated on an island near Mumbai, famous for rock cut temples. Ajanta Caves. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. The President of India. President of India is the head of the state and the powers which he can exercise are defined in the Constitution of India. The following are the picture of the President of India. Match the picture with their leaves. So let we start. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan D. Dr. Zakir Hussain M. 4. V.V. Giri A. 5. OAG Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Gyani Jail Singh B. Option B. 8. Who is a R. Venkatraman 8. 9. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma G. 10. 11. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam 12. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil 13. Pranab Mukherjee 14. Ramnath Kovind option I and 15. Draupadi Murmu G. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. The great rulers. The history of India is full of great rulers. They ruled India with pride and marked their names in the history of mankind. Descriptions about some great rulers of India are given below. Complete their names. You may use the help box. 1. From from 1236 to 1240, she was the first woman who ruled Delhi. Razia Sultan. He embraced Buddhism after fighting the Kaling War. Ashoka. Ashoka the Great. He was a Mughal ruler who started the faith Din-e-Ilahi. Akbar. 4. He was a brave Hindu ruler of the Chauhan dynasty who ruled Ajmer and Delhi in the 12th century. Prithviraj Chauhan. Number 5. He was the He was the founder of Maratha dynasty and a warrior king of the Maratha of Maharashtra people. Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Religion diversity. India is a land of diversities. The diversity is also visible in the sphere of religion. Match the names of the gods and prophets with their birthplace. Okay, so Lord Rama, D. Ayodhya, Lord Krishna, G. Mathura, Muhammad, A. Makkah, Guru Nanak, Talwandi, Mahavir, Kundagram, Gautam Buddha, Lumbini, Jesus Christ, Bethel. B. Identify the symbols of different religions. You can take the help from a help box. Number 1. Hinduism. Number 2. Islam. Sikhism. Number 4. Christianity. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Honors of India. The Bharat Ratna is India's highest civilian award given in recognition of people's service of the highest order. The award has been conferred on 45 people so far, of which only 2 people, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Nelson Mandela, are non-Indians. In 2015, Madan Mohan Malviya and Atal Bihari Vajpayee were honored with the Bharat Ratna. Number 2 is the Paramveer Chakra, is India's highest gallantry award for an act of bravery during war or in the presence of enemy. Major Somnath Sharma was the first and Captain Vikram Batra was the last in 2017 recipient of this award. Captain Batra was awarded the Paramveer Chakra on 15 August 1999. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is the India's highest award in cinema. It is presented annually at the National Film Awards ceremony by the Director of Film Festival and organization set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Hindi film actor Manoj Kumar was awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in the year 2016. Northern India. Arrange the letter in the correct order to know more about the mountains and states of Northern India. This is one of the oldest cities of India and is known for its many ghats. Varanasi. This state was once a part of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. This place in West Bengal is famous all over the world of its tea, Darjeeling. The famous Dal Lake is famous in the beautiful state, Jammu and Kashmir. This mountain range forms the northern boundary of the northern states, Himalayas. So, dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.